WT. Facts time. You won't believe this one. Sea anemones may look like underwater flowers, but they're actually fierce hunters. These cool creatures have tentacles covered in tiny, powerful stinging cells called nematocysts. When a small fish or shrimp brushes against the tentacles, the nematocysts fire out like harpoons, injecting venom that stuns or paralyzes the prey. Once the prey is helpless, the anemone's tentacles guide it into their mouth for a tasty meal. Talk about a shocking dinner invitation. What the facts?